In the last video, which completed the kitchen layout, putting in the cabinets and the appliances, some of the fixtures, some of the appliances, I showed putting in the flat screen, but um, I didn't actually explain it that well because it was really a tutorial on the kitchen stuff. So I'll talk about the putting in the television now. What I'm going to do is delete the television and the picture that's in it and put it back in again. So we can go to the first floor. We could have probably done it there in that view. In your component library, which came with the um, project, the template, you have a television to choose from. If you are watching this and you're not in my class, well, flat screens are available at Revit City. So let's see, type TV and see what we get. Okay, so I put a smaller TV in. I'm going to put an 80-inch in this time. And so it's wall hosted. What that means is I can't put it here. It has to have a wall. It has to be hosted by a wall. So there we go. Let's take a look at that in 3D. This is the 3D view that we want to see. Nope. Okay. So last one. Yeah, so there it is. It's too low. So we'll go back to the first floor and we'll use the section to actually look at what we have. We'll go to the view. And I'm going to use the arrow keys on the keyboard to just nudge it up. I've selected the object and then I'm just raising it up. Now, in that 3D view, it's just a blank screen right now. So I think it looks better if you put a image in there, and you can go online and pick any kind of image that you want. And then go to the, I think it's the view. Let's try that. View, maybe it's manage. No, insert. That's the right one. So we have the decals. So we're going to decal. And I have that image already here. I call it news because it looks like the news is on television, but you can make a new one. So we click on that, call it new decal 4, or give it a name, whatever you want it to be. And then you need to find an image somewhere on your computer. And now I have an image of the kitchen, but that's my new decal number 4. I'm going to use the news decal, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. And if you don't have any images on your computer, obviously you can go look for any image that you want online and then save it to your computer as a JPEG, and it works real fine. So, okay. So now I want to put that image into here, or an image. I'm going to put the news image. So we'll go back to that section, which I think is this one. And I'm simply going to, I think it's an insert decal, yeah. Now, once I've loaded that decal, now I'm going to select over here to see which ones I have. There's the one I just made, but I'm going to use the news decal and click it right there. So it's too small. I can click on the properties and change it. Instead of being 3 feet wide, I'll make it 6 feet wide. Let's see what happens as far as that size. And then I can drag it onto the TV. It's still too small, so let's make it 7 feet wide. Whoops. Oh, I did that again. 7 feet wide. Now it fits. And you'll notice that the picture is actually bigger. I'm going to nudge it down a little bit. The picture is actually larger than the television screen, but the TV screen is the only part of that image that you can see. If you're not in realistic view, say consistent colors, you can't see your picture. So that's one of the reasons why you might not be able to see that picture. You see it's not quite centered. I'll nudge it over a little bit, but you can't see it unless you go to realistic. And then it's visible. And so that's the easy way to put the picture in that screen. And now when I render this, it looks like a television on the wall. Let's go back to the first floor. Let's see, what do we have here? I have some already made. Again, the wrong one. Sort of show it. This would sort of show it, but it's not showing it. Why? Because I have it set to hidden line. But if I say realistic, you can see how the image looks. And I put in a table from the last view. That's just a component, which is also in the library from your template. But as I said before, if you're not taking this class, you can get all kinds of furniture from Revit City is where I generally go to get. There's a lot of good stuff there that other people have applied. But anyway, that's a quick video to show you how to put the flat screen on the wall and put the image inside.